Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to quickly show you how to trade stickers on Monopoly Go. So let's get into the video. So firstly, launch the Monopoly Go application. So open up the application and log into your account. So once you have done here, so what you're going to do, if you want to access the stickers, you need to unlock the album option. To do that, what do you need? There's a minimum requirement, so you need to get up to 15 net worth points in order to unlock the album here. So you see there's an option called album day, so you need to unlock that. To do that, you need 15 points. So if you don't have that, like me, you just have to keep playing the game until you get these 15 points. So once you got that 15 points, then you'll be able to unlock the album option. So once you unlock it, so you just have to simply hit on the album option there on your below. So select the album option there, and then what you have to do, you can once you will find all the stickers there, and then you can just choose any stickers that you want to send to your friends, and then you want to start trading with them. So all you have to do is just unlock the album, hit on it, and then you can choose. You'll find all the stickers there, and then you can just choose any stickers and then send it to and share it with your friends. In that way you can trade these stickers. That's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I'll see you all in another